wise man once said,
A font plugin that gets the job done is your best friend in WordPress.
Who said this?
Me. Jokes apart, we all know the importance of a flexible and functional form builder in WordPress because it's an essential part of building your website. Don't worry, Wpmet got your back, because in this video we're going to talk about the top 5 WordPress form builders to help you find the perfect fit. And if you want to find out our number 1 pick, then don't forget to watch till the end. First up, on number 5, we got Contact Form 7. It's one of the oldest and most popular form builders in WordPress community. With Contact Form 7, you get a simple and straightforward interface to create basic contact forms for your website. It's free, lightweight, and it can support multiple forms for your website simultaneously. Next, on number 4, we got Gravity Forms. Known for its advanced features and customization options, Gravity Forms is a favorite among developers and agencies. It offers powerful form building capabilities with integrations for payments, email marketing, and more. Gravity Forms is a premium plugin starting at $59 per year. Now moving on to number 3, Fluent Forms. Fluent Forms is known for its flexibility and its ability to grow with you. Whether you need simple contact forms or complex surveys, Fluent Forms has you covered. It's perfect for users who want flexibility without compromising on functionality. Fluent Forms offers a free version with paid versions starting at only $63 per year. Moving forward with number 2, let's talk about WPForms. With its user-friendly drag and drop interface, WPForms makes form building a breeze from beginners to experienced users alike. It offers a wide range of pre-built templates and integrations to help you improve your form building experience. WPForms has a free version available with paid plans starting at $49.50. And finally, our number 1 pick, which is MetForm. MetForm is the most flexible WordPress form builder and is the only one based on Elementor. From simple contact forms to complex surveys or quizzes, MetForm lets you create stunning forms with ease. It's mobile friendly, supports Ajax for submissions, and it integrates with popular services like MailChimp and Google Sheets. MetForm offers a free version and its pro version starts at only $39, which is the lowest among the best WordPress form plugins. So there you have it, the top 5 WordPress form builders. Which one is your favorite? Comment down and let us know. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and until then, be awesome.